In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download an Instagram story. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So downloading a story from Instagram is actually very simple. The only thing you need to do is to go to storysaver.net. Unfortunately, you cannot do this through Instagram. You do have to use a third party. So today we're going to be using this website. And then you're going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to enter an Instagram account username. So I'm just going to use the Instagram account as an example. So go ahead and add whichever username that you're trying to use and then select download. Make sure you scroll down a little bit and you select I am not a robot. And after you check that off, it's going to show you all the Instagram stories that are available on this profile. So now you simply have to click on save video in whichever story that you want to download. It's even going to show you all of the stories, like not only the first one. So click on save video.
What kind of posts only make it to your close friends? I would say a lot of trolling posts.
And then you're going to click on the three dots that you see right here at the bottom and you're going to click on download. And as you can see right here at the top, I'm going to see the video and now I have it downloaded in my computer.
What kind of posts only make it to your close friends? I would say a lot of trolling.
And that's it. That's how easy you can download your friends' stories to your computer. I hope this video helped you.